Hi, this is LENNUX and welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of breakfast and words of wisdom. So here we go. We have our chorizo, an egg with yellow bell pepper. Oh my gosh, it tastes really good. And our potatoes. So I hope everyone has like a really encouraged, really self-motivated day today. Whatever keeps you going, you know, look inside and keep on doing that. And honestly, if you'd like to share what keeps you going, like that would be even more better too. Because you know, there are other people who watch this channel that it might actually be able to benefit them and give them another reason to keep going. So I appreciate if you did that. Really good. So we got this whole event coming up in San Antonio. Huge thing. Pride's coming up, people. So those juice cleanses I was telling you about, you ain't got to do nothing extraordinary. You just go ahead and do one of them little juice cleanses you got from now up until Pride, and you know them things are going to work. So if you got a special event, you got a wedding, you know, there are a lot of men on this channel. I'm going to just say that much. Perfect way to do it. Watch the videos, and it'll break down exactly how to go ahead and make the juice cleanse so that way it doesn't taste like too much of either ingredient. And yeah, follow the recipe. Guaranteed at least 2 inches off your waist the first week, and then some the second week. So I had lost and been able to consistently maintain losing 5 to 6 pounds. So yeah, I had to stop the challenge because, you know, I mean, if I keep on losing weight, I'm just gonna like disappear into like midair. So I'm saying, because, you know, I'm not gonna have you guys try something that doesn't work. So go right on ahead and like those videos, try them out. Don't knock it till you try it. See what it's about. And also too, there are other things coming up as well. Other events with like organizations that, and also too, this month is Brain Tumor Awareness Month. I do want to bring that up. And yeah, my heart goes out to everyone who has been suffering, dealing with, or knew somebody who has passed away, or dealing with something of that nature right now. That's not a very easy subject or easy life situation to have to deal with. So my heart goes out to them. And then also too, the month of June in Texas, we're looking at some rain sometimes. We're looking at a whole lot of summer. We're looking at a whole lot of everything. So you're gonna go out, make sure you're very well protected in the sun. Of course, wear your sunblock. I have another video that shows you exactly which one. will work completely well. Look at, I still have a tan line from like where it completely covered, and then my face was completely covered. But I'm still very, very burned from where I didn't apply it. So that's how you know that this stuff worked, because everywhere I didn't apply it, it did not. My peeling for days, and my peeling actually had just barely stopped. So totally awesome, totally awesome. It finally stopped, but I did get left with some like, excuse me, some permanent damage here, just some permanent discoloration. I was just like, oh my gosh, I never knew that would happen, but whatever, my own fault. But it's summertime, kids are out of school, you know. Well, my kid, he chose to elect for summer school, so he'll be in school. But you know, there's so many more fun activities that are going to be coming out. People are going to want to be taking trips. They're going to want to be going here and there and doing just so many fun things. And so it's just nice to be able to have the time to be able to do that, if you didn't already have the time already. So yeah, I don't know. I thank you guys every time, and I thank you 100 times more. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna continue to grub, and you guys have a very, very, very wonderful and safe day, and continue to stay blessed. Thanks.